Imagine making $400 a day, effortlessly, in the booming crypto market. What if you could unlock the power of AI to build your own automated trading system, even if you don't know a single line of code? Get ready, because that's exactly what we're going to show you in the next 8 minutes. We're diving into the world of Claude AI and decentralized finance to build a trading agent that could potentially generate serious profits. The cryptocurrency market is a 24/7 global opportunity, but manual trading is time-consuming and emotional. That's where AI comes in. Traditionally, building sophisticated trading bots required extensive coding knowledge. But now, Claude AI is changing the game. It lowers the barrier for non-coders to create intelligent trading agents. This opens the door for anyone to participate in the potential profits of automated crypto trading. We'll use Claude AI to generate Solidity code for a simple trading strategy. Remember, this is for demonstration purposes, and you should always thoroughly test and audit any code before deploying it with real funds. Let's say we want to buy when a specific token dips below a certain price and sell when it hits a target. We will prompt Claude AI to create a smart contract. We'll then take that code and compile it in Remix IDE, a browser-based development environment. Connecting your MetaMask wallet is crucial for deploying the contract. Disclaimer: smart contracts can have vulnerabilities. Always get your code audited by security professionals. We will then compile our code and connect our MetaMask wallet to the IDE. Now, let's deploy our smart contract. Using Remix, we'll deploy it to a test network. This allows us to test our strategy without risking real funds. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Once deployed, the smart contract is now an autonomous agent ready to execute trades based on the conditions we defined. After 24 hours, let's see how our Claude AI-powered trading agent performed. As you can see, the bot executed several trades based on our defined strategy. Of course, results will vary depending on market conditions and the trading strategy used, but this demonstrates the potential of AI-powered automated trading. It's crucial to understand that crypto trading involves risk. Market volatility can lead to losses. That's why risk management is paramount. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversify your portfolio. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. Backtesting your strategies is crucial before deploying them with real funds. Claude AI is revolutionizing crypto trading, empowering individuals to create sophisticated trading agents without needing extensive coding knowledge. While profits are never guaranteed, the potential is undeniable. So, are you ready to explore the world of AI-powered crypto trading? Start building your own trading agent today.